Food vocabulary.
This is pizza.
This is pizza.
This is burger.
This is burger.
This is sushi.
This is sushi.
This is pasta.
This is pasta.
This is salad.
This is salad.
This is steak.
This is steak.
This is fries.
This is fries.
This is tacos.
This is tacos.
This is cheese.
This is cheese.
This is soup.
This is soup.
This is cake.
This is cake.
This is donuts.
This is donut.
This is waffle.
This is waffle.
This is burrito.
This is burrito.
This is ramen.
This is ramen.
This is curry.
This is curry.
This is omelet.
This is omelet.
This is rice.
This is rice.
This is bacon.
This is bacon.
This is eggs.
This is eggs.
This is bagel.
This is bagel.
This is muffin.
This is muffin.
This is fajitas.
This is fajitas.
This is baguette.
This is baguette.
This is croissant.
This is croissant.
This is tuna. This is ham.
This is ham.
This is turkey. This is falafel.
This is falafel.
This is cheesecake.
This is cheesecake.
This is tofu.
This is tofu.
This is cabbage rolls.
This is cabbage rolls.
This is French toast.
This is French toast.
This is bruschetta.
This is bruschetta.
This is gyro.
This is gyro.
This is baked beans.
This is baked beans.
Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.